So now we're gonna change the air filter. So we take off the seat, just put it somewhere safe. Look at that air filter, it's all dirty. And to take that out, we will need to remove this tank cover, the gas tank cover. And since the fairings are already out, all you need to do is remove this screw here and on the other side, and this bolt right here and here on the other side. So I'm just gonna use this Allen key to remove this bolt. Now I'm just gonna use this ratchet to remove this, and then just take it out with my hand. Do the same thing on the other side.
Don't break. No, not that.
This is the weird type of screw that goes in there. And then you will need to remove this, all the screws that go in there, and unlock your fuel cap, and you put it aside. And you remove the battery cover. Now you should be able to
Oh, jeez. I can see that.
lift it.
Oh.
Oh, you will need to remove it from these grommets. Ah, there. And same thing on this side. There, you just pull it out. And it comes off. There, the cleanest bike you'll ever see. Here, you see, that's the snake skin in there. Yeah. So now you just need to remove these two bolts right here. Yep, as I suspected, they're size 8. Socket size number 8. And just I think we'll need to remove this bracket thingy. Okay, so these are size 10 bolts. I just loosen them with a socket. I'm just gonna do this with my hands. And then, what else? I think these as well. Okay, so once these screws are out, then you should be able to, yep, remove this bracket. And then, yep, you lift it up like this, and you remove the cover. Oh, look at all that gunk. Need to wash that. This is the new air filter that we got from Fortnite for 15 bucks. So we remove this one, all dirty and shit. We throw it out there and put this one in. Yeah. And now we're gonna clean the surrounding area. I'm gonna clean all the surrounding area because you don't want to clean it when this is open, because all the dirt is gonna go in your engine. So now we're gonna clean it around and then put the things back, the cover on it. It should be good. So this is the filter that came out. Look at that, so clean. Ew, that's wet sometimes. Okay, and there is a new filter in there. And I cleaned around the surface, so it's nice there. Okay, so it's all nice and clean. This is the cover for my filter. Yours might look different. Yours might not have this big ass hole in it, because this is probably aftermarket part. So these two tabs, they go in there. So you just slide it in here like this, and then you lift up the tank a little bit and you just put it in there.
That's what she said.
And after that, you just need to put those two bolts back in, the 8mm bolts. Okay, now we put this bracket back in. Yeah. Okay, put these two screws back on, that one and this one. And after that, put these two screws back on, the ones that go here. So, you know,